Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 92 Honda Civic EG, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their 90 Street Scene series. And the car art looks really beautiful, which I'm really a fan of. I really wish they do something really cool like this for at least the 80s and 90s cars. I really want a cool touch with this kind of car art. So I bought it for 299, which is the MRP. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. So now I'm really curious, what this car's chassis is made of, because the Toyota which we unboxed yesterday, that had metal chassis. If you guys didn't see that video yet, just go ahead and watch it, because that's like a surprise. Out of the 4 cars which I unboxed till yesterday, that's the only car which had metal chassis. Let's see if this has one. Okay, I didn't actually feel any weight here. So I'm 100% sure that chassis is plastic. Okay. So the first impressions of this car. So the casting looks really nice. The livery is really nice. It's simple and it's really nice. But you can see a lot of scratches. Mostly I know everywhere, wherever you can see the plastic pieces, you can see scratches. Okay, let's go to the headlight detailing. Yeah, it does have headlight detailing. The logo placement is nice. The logo could have been really, a bit better in my opinion. And it has the grille details as well, which is engraved, and it is not, and it is painted on top of it in black color. And it has taillight detailing as well. Okay, it has exhaust detail here, but still the older ones used to have this entire chassis detailing. Nowadays it is not having anything. Okay, so like I told you guys, this is plastic. So only the body is metal and the chassis is plastic, and it has rear view mirrors as well, which is really nice. You can see the interior also. I really wish they didn't give up, light black tint on this one. Instead they could have went with clear. I'm really not sure why they are actually giving this black tint for literally every car. The last 4 cars which we unboxed, everyone had this black tint. I really wish they could go with some clear tint like other brands does, like the Tomicas which you see here. That is the 25th anniversary Countach that has a clear one, and this is by Majoret. That is a clear one, and this behind this, that Miura Jota SV, that is the clear one. I think the Diablo is there, that is also having a clear one. Only I think this is the one it doesn't have a clear in. It has like black tinted interior, if I'm not wrong. They could have just went with something like that, because the interior looks really good. I really want to see that when I'm just looking at the car. So it has wiper details on both front and rear windshields, which is nice. Okay, let's weigh this car. So it looks really light. So the least one being the Nissan which we unboxed first. Just give me 1 second. So the Nissan 180 SX, that is I think 32 grams. Let's see how much this one weighs. 29. So they're not going by weight for that specific price range. So I'm not really sure how they're going, based on what they're going, but they are still charging the same price. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, for a lighter casting, it rolls really well. So compared to the Toyota which we unboxed, so that being a heavier casting, it didn't even reach the end. It just stopped right here. Okay, third try. I don't see any wheel wobble, maybe little bit, very little bit on the rear, but it is not that noticeable if you are playing it on track. Yeah, it is really nice. It rolls really nice. Even though this casting literally weighs lesser than rest of all the 4 castings, still this one is really good in the track. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.